Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Age of Empires 1. First, you'll want to understand the core objective, progress through different ages and eliminate rival civilizations. Begin by assigning your villagers to gather essential resources such as food from berries or hunting, wood from trees, and stone and gold from mines. Construct a town center and enough houses to support your expanding population and unit production. This foundational strategy sets you up for early game success. Efficient resource management is crucial for sustained growth. Focus on accumulating food and wood in the early stages to continuously train new villagers and construct vital buildings. Send scouts to explore the map, uncovering new resource veins and identifying enemy positions. As your economy strengthens, establish a barracks to begin training military units. These units are essential for defending your base from early attacks and launching your own offensive maneuvers against opponents. Advancing through the ages is key to unlocking powerful new technologies and units. At your town center, research upgrades that enhance resource gathering, unit strength, and building durability. To progress to the next age, you'll need to meet specific resource thresholds and construct certain buildings. As your civilization evolves, focus on developing a diverse army. A balanced force, combining infantry, archers, and cavalry, will be more effective against different enemy compositions and strategies. When engaging in combat, strategic positioning and unit matchups are vital. Utilize terrain to your advantage and understand which units counter others effectively. The primary path to victory is often military, achieved by destroying all enemy town centers or wonders. Remember to keep your economy strong to replace lost units and maintain pressure. Also, for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Good luck conquering your foes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.